I'm gonna make you suffer. I swear I will tear you limb from limb!
Bacterium successfully captured. Bacterium disposal will now commence.
You what? Hey, wait, what's going on?
Don't ask me.
I'm over here!
Yeah, I know. You can struggle, but you won't destroy that capsule from within. But I'll bet you know what happens in the bronchial tubes, don't you?
Really? This is the strategy you settle on? Aren't you ashamed using cheap tactics like this?
Not really.
You liar! Don't you turn your back on me!
Pardon me.
Hey! Hey! I know you can totally hear this! Turn around! Just real quick!
Can I get you something to drink?
Guess I'll have what you're having.
Here, it's tea.
Lovely. Thanks, I appreciate
Let's
it.
talk about this! What the... Whoa! What is this? Ah!
Take a seat and watch with me.
Okay, I think that's enough! Totally learned my lesson! Oh no! Where is this thing going?
Good question. Where do you think?
No way! Please, no!
These are the bronchial tubes.
Please don't do this! Let me out!
Subject sealed. Countdown will now begin. 3, 2, 1.
You monster!
Bye-bye, bacterium.
Curse you!